Hello everyone, Happy Richard here. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to look at a problem here with this LG washer that we have. We've been having water around the bottom of the washer. Can't figure out where it's coming from. We were thinking it was the drain hose. We've checked all the connections, they're all tight. Just can't figure out what's going on. This is a simple fix and I was very surprised at how little work we had to do to fix this. Okay, so as you can see, we've had water leaking out here on the left side of our washer. You see the carpet's all wet. Couldn't figure out what was going on. We tore the whole thing apart, looked at all the drain line connections because that's what we thought was going on. They're all tight, they're not leaking, there's no water coming out of it, but we still had water inside the frame on the left side of the washer here. Let me show you this easy fix that we found out after tearing the whole thing apart. Hopefully you won't have to tear it apart to fix this easy problem. Now before I show you what we did to fix this, I'm going to give you this little tip. You need to look down here at this thumbs up button and click that like button so this video will spread to other people. Thanks, just a little bit of shameless self-promotion there on my part. Okay, so if you look inside here, this is the port that you add the liquid bleach to. This part here comes out very easily. You can just grasp it with one hand, nice easy tug, and it'll come right out. What we found happened in this instance was, there's this little hole here where the bleach goes down into the wash bin. There's a hose here that fills water up, mixes with the bleach. Once the level comes up to this height, the bleach flows down into the wash bin. This was actually blocked. Must have had some kind of buildup of laundry detergent or something in it. There was hair in it. It blocked it. So what we did, just took a screwdriver down in the side here, kind of loosened up all that detergent and stuff that was blocking it. There was hair and things there as well blocking that. We rinsed this out with water, rinsed out the port here. You could feel the water and the debris coming down into the wash bin here. Once that was clear, we ran it through the cycle, worked perfectly. So if you're having a problem with your LG washer leaking water around, can't figure out where it's coming from, just go ahead and try this simple fix. Take a look here at the bleach dispensing port, make sure it's not blocked. And if that's all it is, you're going to save a bunch of money. Yeah, you're going to save a bunch of money. Hey everyone, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. I'm going to be doing lots of videos like this as I fix things. Maybe I'll help you out, save some money. And as always, thanks for joining. Happy Richard.